Hi there, this is Diana Sescalini, and this is Chapter 4 lecture video for payroll accounting. I'm going to go ahead and park myself up here in the corner so you can see me. And we're going to be talking about Chapter 4. And this chapter is involving income tax withholding. That's the federal income tax and how to withhold it from employees. And that's what we're going to be talking about that. Let me move myself up a little bit. There's actually in chapter 3, we talked about the employee-employer relationship. So you need to look at that to see if FIT laws apply. There are some statutory non-employees that do not have federal taxes withheld. Again, take a look and to see what those. But taxable wages are all subject to federal income tax. FIT stands for federal income tax withholding. And here's an example of most taxable wages. Okay, and not only this slide, but this slide also is taxable wages. And there's different things. Gift certificates. They're considered a cash equivalent. So if an employer gives you a gift certificate, it's basically taxable income. So again, these are all examples of payments to employees that could be considered taxable income. And here's another list, okay? So you need to check to make sure what exactly is going to be taxable. If you're the employer, you need to know what is actually going to be subject to FIT taxes and what is not. Now, one of the things that this doesn't talk about is fringe benefits. So these are all things that most employers pay, sick pay, some do scholarships. So there's some things that an employer might pay like fringe benefits. And we need to know, are they subject to income tax withholding? And so here are the rules on that. So this is subject to FIT withholding unless it's very specifically excluded from it. So any one of these things, personal use of a corporate car, that's considered taxable income, but you're not really getting paid, but you're getting use of a car. Frequent flyer miles, vacation. So when they pay you for vacation, it's subject to FIT withholding. And here are things that are excluded from withholding down here on this one, okay? And then there's one more slide here on other fringe benefits, how to withhold. It's done at a flat 22%, depending, or it's treated as a regular paycheck. And you can take a look at that, okay? But this whole thing is about understanding FIT withholding, which is federal income tax withholding. So this is video 1 for chapter 4, and we'll start talking about other FIT withholdings in video number 2.